Hello everyone. Today we are going to analyze some of the previous KPTCL paper to its core and depth. So why wait? Let's start with the recent one, AEE 2017 paper. We also have KPCL, JESCOM and Uttarakhand PSC electrical paper after this video. So in this video we intend to give you brief idea of particular subject or topic they asked in previous year KPTCL or any other state question papers. So this paper belongs to KPTCL 2017 AEE paper. Actually in this paper more importance is given on machines and less importance on other topics. So I marked every other question with the topics which I feel they belong to. Let's see. First question, a ceiling fan belongs to. This question is directly a machine topic, or in the sense every electrical engineer should know what ceiling fan consists of, like capacitor start motor or capacitor run motor, like that. So capacitor start motor, what we do in capacitor start motor is during switching on we use capacitor to produce 90-degree phase difference between auxiliary and main winding. So this directly belongs to machines. Next question, high frequency transformer sometimes make use of ferrite cores because it has, option is high hysteresis is a correct answer. So this belongs to machine or electrical engineering materials because it talks about the material used in a high frequency transformer core. Third question, they mentioned error, so this belongs to measurements only. Fourth question, the frequency of the rotor 3-phase, so machines. Fifth one also machines. Sixth one, it is a general knowledge question, or you can consider business and commerce oriented question. Seventh one, this is digital electronics question. Eighth one, machines question again. Ninth one is power systems. 10th one also machines, again machines. So overall in KPTCL AEE 2017 they have given 80 to 90% of their questions from machines only. Some questions are being taken from analog electronics and some questions are taken from measurements and network analysis or electrical circuits. So if we would have studied only machines for this paper, we could have got more marks. So maybe this is an exception kind of paper, because every time we won't see this type of paper. Every time KPTCL will choose different things. In this particular paper they have mentioned machines, analog electronics and measurements and basic computer knowledge questions. Coming to general knowledge, some basic computer knowledge questions, aptitude questions were quite good. So overall this question paper was easy, considerably easy, So see, I mentioned 80 to 90% are from electrical machines, and some questions are from electronic circuits, electrical circuits, power system, measurements, analog electronics. Some two questions are from digital electronics also. So overall this question paper was easy. So let's see other paper. So let's see other paper. I have quite a good amount of paper in KPTCL AE 2015. See, first question is already, this is from machines. See, first question is from machines. Second question, electrical circuits. Very easy question, but typically it changes. What is the following is true with a different series circuit having resistance of different values. Next question, this directly belongs to EMT, electromagnetic theory. Again, measurements. The iron alnico is mainly used to make magnets. Again, this is from electrical materials. Next question, fifth question, electrical materials. Sixth question, again the magnetic permeability of a diamagnetic material. This is a basic question, you can see this is EMT question. Next question directly belongs to fundamentals, AC fundamentals, alternating current fundamentals. Next question, again this belongs to electrical materials. Next, this also basic question. We know that electron charge is equal to proton charge, so directly we can give answer as A. Next, 10th question, again this is electrical circuits or network analysis. Again, and this question belongs to EMT. Again, electric force, EMT. Next question, Lenz's law, Faraday's law, basics. Basic electrical engineer means basic electrical engineer. This is a unit of magnetic reluctance, also basic. This one also basic or electrical engineering materials. This one basic. Magnetic flux, they are talking about magnetic flux, so this is basic question paper. Then again electrical circuits, again this is also electrical circuits or network analysis. Next, measurements. Again this is all, this belongs to electrical circuits, and this one is like aptitude question. Again electrical materials, this one. Again this is electrical circuit. 26, this is one also electrical circuits or AC fundamentals. In a battery, difference between no load voltage and the measured voltage is called. Again this is basic, or you can consider electrical circuits. Next, this is also electrical circuits. This is materials. Again electrical circuits or EMT. This one electrical engineering materials. This is also basic, or you can consider this as chemistry question actually. So let's go with basic only. This one again basic questions, basic electrical. Again this is AC fundamentals. What is crush factor or peak factor? Again this is electrical circuits or network analysis. The circuit that binds upper and lower fixed DC voltage is called as analog electronics. Resistance of coil, which again electrical circuits or network analysis or basic AC fundamentals. Again, this belongs to network analysis or electrical circuits. This one also electrical circuits. Power factor, so let's take this as measurements. Vein bridge, so that is measurements. Vein bridge is actually used to measure frequency. Again measurements, and this one actually we can take electrical engineering materials or basic. Again this is also basic or general knowledge question. Again this one basic, but many of us can't answer this question. This one again, this belongs to electrical circuits or network analysis. Which of the following is true with auto transformer? So machines, magneto-restrictive materials, so electrical engineering materials. 56 again machines, machine. 55 again this one, what happens to voltage inside? Again machines. This is basic, AC fundamental, power systems, DC machines. Again machine, no, this is power systems, basic. And this belongs to, we had one electrical power EPG. Ferranti effect is more produced when, again power systems. Peterson coil, this belongs to machines or power system. Peterson coil is present in, actually it is present in power system security, so let's consider it as power systems only. Magnetic circuit breakers, power system security, power systems. Buchholz relay, everything comes under power system security. Because they have asked Buchholz relay because it is a very important thing in the in your operation and maintenance of KPTCL transformers and all. And this one belongs to analog electronics, or we can consider basic because we studied this in second PUC or in first sem basic electronics. Again thermoelectric, this one electrical engineering materials, this one APT. Again general knowledge, ATF is also using general knowledge. This one also general knowledge, APT. Again general knowledge. Again this one is APT. General knowledge. Kohima, general knowledge, APT. This one also APT. And this one also belongs to apti question. Apti, this one is general knowledge. Which of the following statement is correct? This statement. Again, this is apti question paper. Again, apti general knowledge. Again, this is apti. So in 2015 KPTCL exam, more like 50% to 60% are from electrical circuits or network analysis, and machines 10%, power systems 10%, and measurements 2%, AE analog electronics 2%, and more basic problems were there. So KPTCL is all about electrical circuits, machines, power system, measurements, some part of analog electronics, and very basic questions like what is the SI unit of some quantity or other thing can be easily asked in KPTCL. So friends, be sure to strengthen up your basic concepts in electrical engineering. Let's see KPCL 2015. KPCL stands for Karnataka Power Corporation Limited. Unlike KPTCL, they always favors machines, more of a machines, because they deal with generators and transmission from the basic, means from the generation point. KPCL stands. Distribution, transmission are all dealt with KPTCL. So KPCL always concentrates its paper on machines, electrical circuits. You can see in question paper also, you can see more of the electrical questions, electrical machine and electrical circuit theory questions are there. So as I said in earlier video, we have to focus more on electrical circuits, machines, electrical engineering materials, and measurements. Important subjects. These are important subjects. You can score up to 50% of marks. Nowadays, in last KPCL paper, they asked more about control systems also, like 10 to 12 marks of control system questions were there. So for safety sake, better prepare for control systems also. Let's see other Uttarakhand PSC paper, which was given for electrical only. So let's see. So again, first question, electrical in PSC means in Public Service Commission, electrical engineers are essential in Panchayat Raj, or for Panchayat they have their own engineers, and in town planning etc., like that post will always come up in public service exam, public service commissions, and some in Karnataka some diploma college lecturers post will be called upon by qualification. They mention as B for diploma college lecturers. So we are seeing such a type of question paper here. Let's see. First question is from measurements. Again, second question, measurements. Third question, measurements. This one CT, so measurements. Oscilloscope, measurements. Best method of measurements of temperature of hot bodies radiating energy in the visible this is basic question, like physics question, induction. Again, measurements. They have Hindi section also, so as our software does not compatible with Hindi, so it's showing some zeros and ones. And this one also measurements. No, this is basic question. Measurements, resistance gauge, so measurements. The secondary output voltage of saturable core, so this is electrical engineering material. Again, this is again measurements, because they are talking about damping is normally used in the instruments of induction type, moving coil, permanent. Actually the answer is permanent magnet moving coil. The DC ammeter, again this is measurements. So you can observe more of the measurements questions are from in this paper. Again, this is also measurements. Slide wire, meter bridge problem, measurements. Maybe this was this post would have been for measuring some things, so all are from measurements only. The normal voltage for this one belongs to energy power utilization. This is basic mathematics. You should know. For the use of Newton, the non are made linear by using Taylor series expansion, decoupling, exponential. Nothing be said. Power systems. So power systems, power factor of electrical installation to be this one also. Power systems. Power systems, EHV line. So power system to be reciprocal, AD minus BC is equal to 1, A is equal to D, AC minus BD is equal to 1. For reciprocal, always AD minus BC is equal to 1. For a battery with constant voltage, the reflection is basic. Reflection coefficient is minus 1 always. 40 amp. Again, this is power systems. More of power systems and electrical measurements problem. Sheath is used in cables to provide proper insulation. So more problems is from measurements and power system. Means again power system, Laplace transforms. So Laplace transforms means control systems or signals and systems. Again this is power systems. So this is motors, means machines, sorry. Again this is power systems. So more problems are from power systems in any means KPSC, means Public Sector Commission. They deal with power system problems. So basically their job involves town planning and all, so they want to be good at power systems. So more questions will be asked from power systems. Again power systems. See power systems, HVDC transmission, power systems. See maximum demand. Again power systems. Z bus, power systems, power systems, power systems, power systems. See, only power systems are there. This is machines, machines, machines. No, they are asking machines. So again, as I said earlier, normally every question paper consists of machines, power systems, electrical circuits, measurements. For all state PSC, machines, power systems, measurements are like compulsory subject. They will ask almost 50% of weightage from these topics or subjects. So particularly in machines, they ask what happens when machine is connected so and so. What is like inverted induction machine? What is the magnetic field, rotor magnetic field with respect to stator magnetic field speed? More questions are like that. And construction, basically from substitution, how torque can be increased, how what are the type of starting used in machines, like that. In power system, they always go with types of transmission systems like short, medium and long transmission, and their Z bus, or how matrix can be constructed, like that. Measurements, they basically involve error, like power measurements using 2 watt meter method, or power measurements, energy meter errors, like more questions are from those topics. So basically we should study these machine, power system, measurements and electrical circuits problem for every subject. Also in gate, also electrical circuits, machines and power system will carry around weightage of 30 to 40 marks. So again, every state PSC or Transmission Corporation Limited, they always use gate as a reference. So if we should study some simple problems from gate, and also we should be thorough with questions from these topics. Thank you. Good night.